Welcome to another Recipe Wednesday as a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator and assistant to the regional coordinator for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. Today I am joined by
England, Alex,
and we are going to be making a very simple recipe. It is called a Sherbet Shrub. So England, what are the ingredients?
1 scoop of sherbet and a half a cup of fruit juice.
Okay, so you can pick any sherbet you want and any fruit juice. Today we are using rainbow sherbet and cranberry juice and orange juice. Our first step is
choose your favorite sherbet and place 1 scoop into your cup.
Okay, so Alex is going to do a big scoop into a cup. Now you'll want to set your sherbet out just for a few minutes before so it's easy to scoop. There you go. Now I'll pass it over. And we are using punch cups, mostly because they're fun, you can see through them, and they look a little fancier. But you can use any type of cup or a mug. Once you have your sherbet in your cup, the next step is?
Pour a half a cup of fruit juice over your sherbet scoop.
Okay, so England, would you like cranberry or orange juice?
Cranberry.
Okay. So just be careful when pouring so you don't make a mess. But you want about a half a cup. So just until it's up the sides. You don't want to cover your whole sherbet. Alex, what flavor are you going to try?
Cherry.
Okay, then I'm going to try orange juice with mine. Okay, we're down to our final step. What's next, Alex?
Enjoy this easy and refreshing snack. Flip a spoon.
Okay, so girls, try it and tell me what you think. So there's lots of flavor combinations because if you do a different juice, it will taste totally different. And it's a fun snack, or you can eat it for breakfast or dessert, or if you want to, you can even use it as a palate cleanser between courses of a fancy meal. So if you have your appetizer and you want to have a fresh start for your main course, something like a sherbet or a sorbet is a great way to clear your palate. Okay, girls, would you recommend this?
Yes.
Okay, we hope you try this easy recipe and we hope you join us again. Remember, you can get the recipe on our Strive for Health Google Drive, and you can access that link on our Bootheel 4-H YouTube channel or on the Penobscot County 4-H Facebook page. We hope to see you next time. Bye! Bye.